In this video I'll show you how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. Once you're on the home page, click here where it says search for a market, type ETH and then your currency. So for me that's ETH Euro, for you it might be ETH USD, ETH GBP, whatever your currency is, click on it. Here click on buy. And once you're on this interface, the first thing you need to choose is the order type. There are mainly two types of order, market and limit. Let's start with limit. Limit means let's buy Ethereum at this specific price. So right now the price of Ethereum is 1,575 euros. Let's say I want to buy Ethereum at 1,570 euros. I'll type 1,570 and I'll click on done. Next thing is how much money you want to put in. So in amount here, click here. Let's say I want to put in 100 euros. I'll click here. I'll type 100. I'll click done. And it will tell you that you'll get 0.0629 ETH. Now, if you want to buy a specific amount of Ethereum, click here and change to ETH. So let's say you want to buy 0.1 Ethereum. You'll type here 0.1. You'll click on done. And it will tell you that you'll spend 157 euros. Now the other type of order is market. Market means let's buy Ethereum right now at this price. So again, same thing, you can choose to buy a specific amount of Ethereum. So let's say I want to buy 0.1 Ethereum, I'll type 0.1 and I'll click on done. Or you can also choose how much money you want to put in. So click there, change to euro or whatever your currency is. Let's say you want to buy 100 euros of Ethereum, type 100, click on done. It will tell you that you'll get 0.0629 ETH. Once everything is done, click on this green button at the bottom that says buy, and you'll find your Ethereum here in portfolio, overview, and then crypto.